Good morning. I am getting ready for work again. I walked Lola this morning, but her mom told me she doesn't really walk her. So when I took her out last night and this morning, it was kind of difficult because I can definitely tell she's not used to being walked, but she's very young. So I decided to just put Pampers on her for now. But I'm getting ready to go to my first walk of the day, which is Milo again. And then I'm gonna go check out Caribou, which is a Haitian-owned coffee shop based in Montclair now. She actually just got a new location. So I'm gonna go and get something to drink after my first walk. And then I'm gonna head to Minnie. Because today I only have 2 walks, but I'm doing daycare with a cat this afternoon. So she's gonna be dropping off somebody's gonna be dropping off their cat this afternoon for me to watch them for a few hours. So it's Friday. I'm excited to check out the new location of Caribou. I love seeing Black businesses thrive. So I'm really happy for her new location. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Baby, let me know. Hey guys, so I just got to Caribou. I'm about to head inside. I'm so excited. I did Alicia's and Latte's dog walk back in May. Yeah, it was back in May, and I collaborated with Caribou. They were the first coffee company that I worked with because the whole theme of Alicia's and Lattes is a community of pet parents, pet caregivers coming together to walk dogs. Simple as that. But I called Delicious and Lattes because I love coffee, I love matcha. So I wanted to incorporate hydration and just being able to collaborate with cafes that I love, that are local. I really wanted that to be like the center of it. So I'm really excited to see her evolve and step into a new space. So let's go inside and get something to drink and possibly something to eat because I'm hungry.
How are you?
Look at God. I'm gonna get something to eat because I'm hungry.
Okay. What for food that would be have patties?
That's perfect.
Okay.
What kind of patties is it?
I got chicken, codfish, herring, veggies.
Ooh, herring. Let me do that one.
Okay,
Yeah.
right.
So this is Beverly, the owner of Caribou. We're at her new location. I just wanted to come and say hi and get a drink. Yes. And what did I get? A patty?
Patties and the hibiscus sour.
So good. Yeah. So you guys, you have to come in and get your breakfast and your coffee.
Awesome. I'll be here.
Bye. Okay, so I got my drink and I got my patty. I'm about to go walk Minnie now. It's currently, what time is it? It's 11:01, so I'm still good on time. But it was so nice being able to go in and see her business, have a little chat, and of course get my breakfast. Okay guys, I'm back home with Lola. I'm waiting for my client to drop off her cat because I'll be doing daycare for a few hours. I'll keep you guys posted when she arrives. Say hello. Oh my gosh, look at you. Oh my gosh, guys. She's so small. Guys, I forgot to show you my shirt. I got this from Five Below. Super cute. OMG, so Savior's here. He's so tiny. Like, I don't even want to take him out. He's so, oh my gosh. Hello. Okay, so before I take him out, I'm going to set up his litter box because he's so tiny. Like, I don't even want him to, like, not have everything set up. So I'm going to do that first before I take him out of the bag. But
my bumper clock, my rod to talk. Got him going crazy for that poo, nah. I get what I want, I got that ooh shalaka. He do what I say for that da. Outfit came from Sheen, person hits it too. Just got my hair done, I'm acting brand new. Going out tonight, feeling sexy in my mood. Pink blush on my face, brown lip liner, lip gloss new.